Hi, my name is Nicholas Lossiter, and I'm making this video as a reflection about my final project presentation. So it feels pretty good to be done here, and so I'm making this video to talk about the process. So you have a couple questions here. So what collaborative software did you use? We use Prezi, and did you find it problematic at all? I am thankful that I think it was Samantha who talked about using Prezi, and I'm so glad that we did because we just could all get onto the same website through her account and just all edit in the same place. We didn't have to worry about uh, files going back and forth from computer to computer. We could all go to the same spot and work in the same project. So just having it in one spot made it so much easier. So Prezi worked really well. Um, did all members participate equally? Absolutely. I feel really lucky with the members that I got. Both Samantha and Megan worked really hard um, and equally. Um, so we split the presentation into three equal parts, and we each tackled one of those three parts, um, and then just kind of combined it all. And then I did the screen capture um, kind of narration of the whole thing together, um, to combine it into one presentation. But yes, three parts. We all worked equally on those three parts, and then I just did the narration at the end. So it worked out really well, I thought. Was information readily available on the topic? Yeah, I thought it's pretty easy to find a lot of information about online learning. There's a lot of stuff online about it. There's a lot of stuff about the flipped classroom, which was what I was more working on, both in the class materials that we had already had and online as well, like that video that I found on YouTube about the flipped classroom. So yeah, it was pretty easy to find stuff. What were the strengths and weaknesses of your group? Well, the strengths already talked about a little bit. Everybody working really hard. We were really open to ideas, and uh, nobody loafed, I guess. So that was a big strength. I think the only weakness I could think is that we I wish we would have done something other than just emailing back and forth. We couldn't quite figure out how to do what am I thinking of, the where you video talk with one another. I can't think of the word, but chatting. We could have saved a lot of emails and a couple of days work if we had just had a half-hour conversation, um, webcam conversation. What were the strengths and weaknesses of the project? I thought the project was pretty strong overall. Maybe the only weakness is that I needed to do a narration for it to be presentable. But if I were presenting that in a class or to a group of folks, that's what I would do as well. So I don't know if it's necessarily a weakness. Um, so I thought overall it was really strong, and overall I really enjoyed the project. I enjoyed working with my collaborators a lot. I hope I'll have them in other education classes. We'll see. And I definitely learned a lot about lots of different software and putting it all together and what that means. So thank you for challenging me, and I appreciated the class. So thank you.